Hello, Daimechi. How are you, Daimechi? Hello, 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 hello. How are you? Aray. Wow. Happy Hearts Day, host. Yes, happy Hearts Day. Hi, nako, everyone. It's very, 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 very nice day. The weather is very good. Yep, the weather is very good. And also but really, it's pouring rain a little bit, like maybe 3 seconds. Okay, thank you, my membership for viewers. Thank you. Yes, is very wow. Rain. So how is the Valentine's? So Valentine's is all everywhere. Yeah. Yes. Yes. Yeah. The the rain is like snappy. Yeah. And after it stopped very quick. Yeah. So it's a very, oh my. Hello guys, how are you doing? Our very special moment for today is Family Hearts Day. Yes. Maybe people there, maybe others are going to the restaurant, having foods nice and yummy. Oh, me, I'm just cooking. Oh my gosh, I really appreciate the the weather. It's not really bad. The sky is very nice, but if you consider it's really dark. No, I'm just joking. Yeah. So our GCAS and our entry is we are number 4. For entry GCAS, okay. Gef lang gef. Yes. Yeah, it's a very nice day. It's not like a very bad, but it's rain though. The one thing that I don't like it when they rain and they will stop and rain it will stop, and also it's Valentine's, right? Okay, guys. Um, I have also a plan for myself. I want to do Zumba, but I will put into my other adventures, my adventures motorbike. I will change it. Yeah, I'm going to Zumba, guys. Zumba. Because I like Zumba. I love to dance. I love to sing, but the problem is I don't want to do it here. I try to connect my computer into my speaker because I have my speaker that I can use to sing and use this one to my computer. Okay, you can see, or you can do it here, like if you want singing. But maybe I will try into the other, uh, to my motorbike adventures, or my other to my other channel. Yeah, because I have three channel. Yeah, it's a very simple. Yeah, it's very simple. You need to have you know Zumba is very good for you because it's exercise. The only thing you need to do, if you are going to exercise, you don't eat a lot, okay? You just eat a little. You don't eat a lot after your Zumba. Yeah. You just eat little, and you have like, for example, fruits, quicker. Yeah, something like that. Fruits is very good for you. You have like a banana, apples, grapes, strawberry, kiwi, any different fruits, right? Yeah. Okay, I want to look here if what I can do. Hey, Canon Foods! Oh, Canon Foods, thank you so much for your coming, Canon. How are you doing? Canon Foods from Village Buy. Yeah, I am right, right? Canon Food like that. Thank you, Canon Foods. I am right, right? Came from Village Buy. Okay, subscribe. Okay, I did already. Okay, but I did it already. I subscribed this already. How come? Your monetization, yeah, right? You're not monetized yet because I can do for you our. Okay, I did subscribe for you. I will comment later because I am live. I don't want to comment when I am live. But I did subscribe. Okay, I subscribe. Like that. Thank you, Kanam. How are you, Kanam Foods? Kanam Foods. Thank you so much for your present here. I really appreciate. Yes, Village King. Yes, I know. I know Village by. I know Village. I've been sub for him long time ago. I sub him long time ago. Yeah. Yes, Village King. Yeah, this Village Kings. I did for him very long time ago. You're very welcome. You're very welcome. Uh, You are plus one, okay? Plus one. You are plus one here. This is me. Oh, where is it? Motor adventure. You are plus one, okay? Plus one. Canon Foods. So I will go to your channel, Canon Foods. My mean, and the other one is you have, okay? So you are plus one. See, Canon Foods plus one. 41 chicken. Karahi banao. Whoa, chicken, yeah, like 20, then I will watch it, okay? From Nida's Cooking. Nida's Cooking. Okay, that's me, okay? Nida's Cooking, that's me. You're very welcome. You're very welcome. One and plus one at two. Yeah. Yeah, okay, okay. Thank you. Do you know biryani? I love biryani foods. Biryani foods is very good. Chicken biryani. Chicken biryani I love the most. Okay. Chicken butter the second. Oh my gosh, I love butter chicken. Butter chicken is a very good. I will try to make a butter chicken sample. Okay. I will make a video for my butter chicken and I will show you. Okay, finish. Finish for 4 minutes watching. 4:31 chicken karahi. Oh. Chicken karahi is very good. Chicken karahi. Chicken karahi, I never tried that one chicken karahi. But maybe I will try. Yes, chicken karahi. I think it's very good. Yeah. Chicken. That's the one I'm watching right now. Chicken karahi. Yeah, chicken karahi. This one. Yeah, you are including to my where is it? Okay. Canon Foods. Canon Foods, I will give you plus. For example, if you win to the raffles, you are plus 5. Okay, Canon Foods. Ca Canon Foods, and also Michi. Nice, yes. Plus 5. Today is 1 plus 1, 2. If you win, plus 5. If you are there, I'm still giving. Okay. Tomorrow. Try what? Okay, here. There. And Michi Manalo. Hey, Michi Manalo, what you doing? What are you doing? Um, Canon Foods, Michi Manalo, Motorbike Adventure. Yes. Thank you for the 5 people. Thank you for the 3 people. And thank you for 8 people. Yeah. Yes. Okay. Okay. I'm looking for something that I can use. Yeah, I'm only quick. I'm gone soon. Yeah, I'm only like 10, 20 minutes. 20 minutes, then I left. 20 minutes, then I left. Then I want to make sure that everything is here. I have one for Michi Manalo and Motor and others. Yeah. Yes, guys. I am so very excited for two. Yeah, because supposed to be, oh, happy Valentine's. I forget. Happy Valentine's kind of foods. Shout out to everyone. Motto, happy Valentine's. I don't know what's others. Kimi, happy Valentine's. And Ken Stout, happy Valentine's. Si Ken Stout, I don't, Ken Stout and Ken, I know Ken, they have another Ken that he have operation. I hope he's okay. He's doing good. I don't know if it's still okay. I hope he's okay. Yeah, I'm only 20 minutes, and after I'm done, I'm finished. And it's very